everyone, and welcome to Julia's Journey in Smart Factory Design. I'm Julia, and today I'm speaking to you from China, right here at the heart of the global PCB industry. From this perspective, we'll be taking a closer look at Taiwan's role and influence in shaping the future of electronics. Taiwan has long been known as a hub of precision, innovation and collaboration, and few people understand this better than my guest, Mr. Paul Lu from Temg. His company has built its reputation not only on advanced technology but also on meaningful partnerships and a forward-looking vision. Paul, I'm so glad you could join me today. Let's begin with your personal story. Paul, could you share your personal journey into the PCB industry? What first drew you into this world of advanced manufacturing?
Thank you, Julia. I was being in PCB industrial. Officially, it's like 22 years now. But actually, I think it's a little bit longer because Temg is our family business. So since I was in childhood, I was playing with machinery already. So why they bring me to this industry? Yeah, definitely you see it's our business, family business. But I think it's very important for me to think about how can I improve this company and also grow up with PCB industrial. So yeah, that's the main reason I joined to the PCB.
Okay, yeah, that's a wonderful story.
Yep.
Family business, it really sets the stage for understanding Taiwan's unique position in this industry. So how would you describe the unique strength of Taiwanese PCB manufacturing compared to other regions like China or Europe?
Yeah, I have an observation from the trends. For the PCB production, it's moving from West country to Japan, to Taiwan, then to China. So I think in Taiwan you can see we are starting from very simple technology like single side, double side, then come to multi-layer and HDI. Now we're going to the IC substrate, right? So we will see the production is shifting, but technology is not. Actually, I think in US was like the head of design of the PCB, and many advanced technology was developing in US. But however, we need to produce the product, right? So production will become very important role of Taiwan. So, but however, production also require technology. So I think in Taiwan, we have a full range of supplier and very intelligent people here. And also, as you know, we are very well known the cost control.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think in Taiwan, now we are in the center of advanced PCB manufacturing.
Wow, yeah, it's fascinating to hear how Taiwan has developed its own identity in the global market. And of course, a big part of that success comes from looking outward, not just inward. So could you share an example of how collaboration with international partners, whether in Europe, the US or across Asia, has shaped Temg's development?
Okay, I was lucky enough to be able to, make some equipment sales to Europe and to US as well. And yeah, I guess Temg will be one of the web process equipment to be able to sell to the Europe and the US. Why is make the Temg's the web process equipment so special to be able to sell globally? Because normally web process machine is very complicated and very customized. And in the beginning, we are thinking we make one machine for whole country, whole customer. No, it's not, because you figure out every customer have a different product and they have their way to produce the PCB. You cannot buy the one size of shoes that fit all fit,
It has
right?
to be customized. Yeah.
Yes, it will be customized. But the question is how customized you can do, okay? And Europe and Asia, they have a different perspective to the equipment and machines.
Yeah.
You will see the European equipment is very compact. They are less opening and they are smaller tank, for the more small production as well. But in Asia, we are always talking about mass production, to bring the cost down, and we talk about the order in value, something like that. So you need to have the machine, higher capacity and easy to maintain, and especially you don't want to turn down the machines. We are running the machine like 24/7. So you need to build the machine very durable and also easy to maintain. Also, they don't want to maintain the machine, shut down the. You need to minimize the downtime of machines, and they want to fix the machine during the production.
Yeah.
So you need to have understanding the philosophy or the way the people to using the machine. Then you put this one in your design. So it's really not only the technical things. It's more like you have to think about how the people react to the machines.
Yeah, like think ahead
Yes,
and predict.
yes.
That's a powerful example of how partnerships can spark growth and innovation.
Yeah.
And speaking of the future, one thing that's becoming impossible to ignore is sustainability. So sustainability is becoming a global priority. So how is Temg approaching greener production and energy efficiency?
Yeah, that's a very good question. Actually, before I reach get to know with smart factory, I only look at the web process. Okay, I look at our machine, our process, and then I realize I have to think something bigger. Okay, so how can we help our customer to achieve their goal of ESG? And as you know, the web process machine use a lot of water, a lot of chemistry, which is not friendly to the environment, and also consumption a lot of energies. Then we have to think about how can we keep the same performance, and but we can minimize this impact to the environment. And then through smart factory, then I understanding we can. When we talk about wastewater, waste treatment, no, this is not really waste. It's actually we can convert it to the valuable to our production. For example, like chemical controls, we can have a more precise control. Even we have a better technology to recycling. For example, like etching, right? We can take out a couple without just added more chemical to balance. Also, we can keep the water reused. How to separate our drainage to be able to fit the waste treatment, make it more efficiency, and also make the consumption less water. So I think it's really good for me. I really open my mind, open my eyes to see how the whole system is working. Okay, not only look at only on the part.
You have to be open-minded. Yeah.
Yes, you have to think something bigger.
Yes.
So I'm quite happy. We reached some goals. We really help our customer to build up the zero waste company, and we are really I really be honored to be part of the smart factory.
Yeah. I really appreciate how you are connecting technology with responsibility. To close our conversation, I would like to shift to a more personal note, something that can inspire our listeners. So if you could give one piece of advice to young professionals entering this industry, what would it be?
My suggestion will be take all the opportunity you have. Okay, take the chance and don't go explore the world, and because you never know what's going to happen. For example, when we're talking about zero waste factory, in my beginning I don't believe it. In my whole life, in my whole 22 years
career,
yes, I went to so many PCB factory. They are consuming so many water every day. They told me like they are running like 1,000 tons of water per day. But now you told me we don't need any water. We will recycle fully all the waters, right? So in the beginning I don't believe it, but now when I get into more, when I understand more, yeah, it's happening.
It's possible.
Yeah, it's possible. It's not only possible, it's almost perfect. It does only benefit for the value, I mean, in the cash return, but also it's helping the quality, improving the quality of your process control. Yeah. So you know, that's the you never can dream of in the at that time. So I think you have to keep your mind open, and you have to. I think in the future we have a more challenge from the AI. You know, so I think multiple skill should be necessary to be able to survive, and keep learning.
Oh, well, that's beautiful advice. Thank you so much for sharing your insights, your experience and your vision. It's clear that Taiwan and companies like Temg will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the future of electronics. So, and everyone listening, thank you for joining me on this episode of Julia's Journey in Smart Factory Design. Stay tuned for more conversations with the people designing the factories of tomorrow. Thank you, Paul.
Thank you, Julia.